Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life or the service light on a Honda Pilot from 2008 and onwards. So for step 1, you want your ignition to be on, so turn on your ignition. Once your ignition is on, you want to press the trip button until oil life is displayed. So now for step 2, with oil life displayed, press and hold that same trip button until it starts flashing. This usually takes around 5 to 10 seconds. After that, release. So now on to the third and final step. With the oil life flashing in the display, you want to hold that same trip button again for about 3 to 4 seconds. Then release. Then quickly after that, press and hold it again until it says 100% and release. That usually takes around 5 to 10 seconds again, but just hold it until it says 100%. Then your oil life is reset. Don't forget to subscribe to Service Guide, and I'll see you in the next one.